Cold therapy is one of the fastest growing treatments in Canada's wellness and recovery industry. Knowing how to apply it safely is what separates professional practice from guesswork. This course is built for anyone working in or moving into wellness, beauty, fitness recovery, sports rehabilitation, or spa settings, and for those who want a structured, credible introduction to cryotherapy from the ground up. Across 7 modules, you'll cover the foundations of cryotherapy and its role in recovery and well-being, equipment types and safe operating procedures, professional treatment techniques and session structure, client assessment and consultation practices, the operational side of running cryotherapy services, current research and emerging advancements, and emergency preparedness and safety protocols. The course is fully online, with audio voiceover developed by qualified professionals and accessible on your laptop, tablet, or phone at whatever pace suits you. Once you complete the course, your e-certificate is issued immediately, and you will also receive a free hard copy certificate. Bulk enrollment discounts are available for teams. The course is accredited by CPD and endorsed by the Quality License Scheme. The wellness industry is growing. This is how you grow with it, responsibly.